Hello everyone. In this video we are going to revise our topic which is there for our annual examination, and topics are energy conservation, planets and solar system, and balanced and unbalanced forces. So we are going to revise all these three topics one by one. First we will talk about energy conservation. What are the important points about energy conservation? You can see this picture. This picture represents energy conservation, a plant in a water droplet. Energy conservation is the effort made to reduce the consumption of energy by using less of an energy service. So, energy conservation means we have to practice those practices in which we can save energy. Like when you are not watching TV, off it. Do not open fridge door frequently. When it is required, then only on AC. So, these are some energy conservation practices. Now we'll come to know what is law of conservation of energy. As per this law, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only converted from one form of energy to another. As you can see in this picture, kinetic energy is getting converted into potential energy when the cyclist start from bottom reaches to the top, and when from top to bottom he is going back, then again that gravitational potential energy will convert back into kinetic energy. So here one form of energy, that is kinetic energy, is getting transformed into potential and then again transformed into kinetic. So we are not making energy, only the form is changing. Now we'll see some questions related to energy conservation. First question is, the law of conservation of energy states energy can created or destroyed but not transformed. Second option is energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only transformed. Third option is energy cannot be created, destroyed or transformed. So the correct option is second option, that is energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only transformed. Next question is, name the type of energy represented by these pictures. First picture is about food items. So we know that the energy which is present in food item is chemical energy. Second picture is fire, burning wood. So energy present in this one is thermal energy. Third question is, in the picture below, calculate the amount of energy used in sound. So to solve this type of question, we have to remember the concept of law of conservation of energy. As per that, total input will be equal to total output. So here, as you can see in this picture, this is a Sankey diagram. So as per this diagram, 800 joule is input energy and the output should also be 800. So the next step will be 800 will be equal to 150 plus 100 plus the amount which is going to use for sound. So answer will be equal to 800 minus 250, that is equal to 550 joule. So to solve this type of question, we have to utilize this concept. Total input energy will be equal to total output energy. Next, we are going to revise planets and solar system. And important points are, main differences between planets in our solar system are, the inner planets are closer to the sun and smaller and rockier. The outer planets are further away, larger and made up of mostly from gases. The inner planets in order of distance from the sun closest to the farthest are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, whereas the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are some differences between inner and outer planets. Now first question is, why does Venus is considered to be Earth's twin? Answer is, Venus is called Earth's twin because Venus and Earth are almost the same size. Second point, they have same mass. They weigh about same. And third is they have a very similar composition. Both are made up from same material and they are neighboring planets also. That's why Venus is known as Earth's twin planet. Next question is why sun is known as a star? Answer is stars are space object that produces their own energy through fusion reaction of gases. So this is a property of a star and sun fulfill this property. They are like round gas burning energy producing luminous orbs. Sun, the star of our solar system, is a star because it produces energy by the fusion reaction of helium turning into hydrogen. So, because of this property of star, sun known as a star. Now we'll come to know about balanced and unbalanced forces. And important points are if two individual forces are of equal magnitude and opposite direction, then the forces are said to be balanced. Next point is if two individual forces are of different magnitude and in opposite direction, then the forces are said to be unbalanced. If an object is under balanced forces, then either it will be stationary or will move with the steady speed. So these are some important points. Now we'll see some questions. First question is you and your dad are moving the couch from one side to another. Your dad pushes with a force of 35 Newton to the right and you push with a force of 25 Newton to the right. What is the net force on the couch? So as you can see in this diagram, a rectangle represents couch and 35 and 25 Newton are applied by you and your dad. So method will be plus 35 plus 25 will be equal to 60 Newton towards right. Why I have taken plus 35 here? Because if you remember our previous concept, if forces are moving towards right, we have to take direction as a positive, and if forces are moving towards left, we have to take direction as a negative. Here both the forces are moving in the right direction, that's why we have taken plus 35 plus 25. Next question is a wheeled cart is moving to the right at a constant speed. Two forces of equal magnitude are acting upon the cart. Which of the following best describes the force and motion of the cart? So if you see picture, size of the force A and size of the force B is same because size of force arrow is same and this cart is moving with a steady speed. So it means it is under balanced forces and steady speed. So first option will be correct option. I hope all of you are able to revise these three topics. For detail, you must watch previous video which I have sent before related to energy conservation, planets and solar system and balanced and unbalanced forces. If anyone have any doubt, you must write to me, ask me, feel free to call me. Okay, thank you.